Hi, how's it occurring? Stay tuned. This vlog is going to look at the trip down to Aberdare R.F.C and a little bit about the park and the surrounding areas as well. So stay tuned and we'll see you now in a minute.
Oh, what's occurring?
In a van watching the game because we couldn't get a taxi. So come on Wales, half time we're going to rugby club in Aberdare. Dan Bigger, 100 caps, local boy to us, and Alan Wynne Jones, 150 caps. Come on Wales. So we're here in a taxi. We couldn't get a taxi until half time, so David and I watched the first half in the van. And we're here with, what's the taxi number? Name?
A to B.
A to B taxis in Aberdare or Merthyr?
Aberdare we're based, yeah.
Aberdare. And your name is?
I'm Andy.
And Andy's come to pick us up half time and we're off to Aberdare Rugby Club. So we're in Aberdare Rugby Club. A lovely welcome. Surprised it's not busier than it is. Yes, we scored and we are now 14-12. Flipping close game. And we're here with these rough lot. I can't speak, honestly. I can't speak.
Up Black Rock Path.
Have a look in here, should we?
Yeah. Look. There she is. There she is. How busy it is today. Gorgeous day.
And the campsite is just right next door.
Yeah.
Literally.
So, don't know what this place is. Looks lovely though.
Gonna have a coffee.
Yeah.
You've wrapped up, haven't you?
Coffee and restaurant.
So the TV and gas and everything's ready to go. So it's a beautiful day, so I don't really want to miss
It
the
is
sunshine.
gorgeous. Let's have a look at Dare Valley there. What's it? Dare Valley. You are here.
So
Lovely place for walks and things.
we're here, and the campsite is here, isn't it?
No love.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, I'll tell you.
Where is it then? Oh, the campsite's there, man.
I'll tell you. It's
Silly
not.
me.
It's this side, that's the bike track, see? We are this side here. See what
We're
that
here,
caravan?
We're
There
here.
we are.
Oh, it's too early.
I know. Yeah, slides for Ian. Look up there as well, as big play area up there. Right up on the hill. Great for kids, yeah?
We're a lush place. I hope you enjoyed that vlog. Really bad result with Wales, still can't believe it. But there we go. If you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Stay safe everybody, enjoy the sunshine. See you now in a minute.
Wow! What's occurring?